All right, this morning we're rebuilding this blade. Um, Pretty poorly designed. So there was this square tubing uh, standing up right there, a bit of an angle. That pins up this hole, pins up to that hole right there. But the way this is designed, essentially this whole plate has a bow in it now. It's a big banana because it's just pushing in the middle and the tractor bolts up somewhere around here. So all that force is just going in the middle. They had some flat bar to try to help stabilize this. You can tell here it just completely sheared. Um, the pieces of flat bar right here, I cut them off. It's completely useless. Like they're complete failures. It also ended up destroying the cylinder. So he got a new cylinder for me to install. But yeah, this blade has a manufacturer sticker. I'm not going to show it. I don't know if the company's still around, but it's very poorly built. Like you can tell, like even here, like you can still see the torch marks where they cut the steel. Nothing was ground. Nothing's made pretty. I don't like that. That's not how I build stuff. Like even this beam, like they didn't even cut it square. Like they must have. I don't know, it doesn't even look like they use a saw. They use a torch, and they just didn't clean anything up. It's just pretty poorly built. Even this piece of flat bar has got a like a bow in it, like from here to here to the other end. Like the gap is different, so this piece was installed wrong. When the square tubing let go, it bowed this out. So I have to fix that. Yeah, so there's going to be a lot of trying to fix it, trying to make it right. He doesn't want me to completely rebuild it because uh, I mean he only uses it as lots, so it doesn't want to spend a bunch of money. But I'll try to get it as close as possible. I have a new piece of square tubing, so I'm just going to cut out what's left on there, cut the bushing out. But just simple stuff like this here, like this is the uh, pin that holds it all together, and there isn't even a stopper or a spring clip or anything. Like this is just floats and very pretty eyelet there to pull it out. So yeah, I'm not super pumped about the design of this thing. The manufacturing is lackluster at best. But apparently it works good and he wants to keep it going. So yeah, just gotta repair that and get him going for the weekend before it snows again.